You know, I'm walking in the pouring rain, and you know what I feel? I feel a sense of freedom. You know, that you can feel the water just inundating your body. My clothes are all wet. My hair is wet. I love the rain, the feel of the rain on my body, the sound of the rain. And the fact that I'm the only one moving, of course. That is nice too. Freedom. The other thing is, you know, it's the principle of not letting obstacles stop you. Of what you're doing. I finished a 4.5 run in this weather, and by the end it was raining pretty hard, but I kept on going. It's a sense of freedom. Freedom means you're alive. Freedom means you have choice. Freedom means that your life, your destiny is in your hands. It's awesome.